HVAC high voltage alternating current and HVDC high voltage direct current power stations are both used for transmitting large amounts of electricity, but they differ in the type of current used and the technology employed. HVAC power station. 1. Alternating current. Transmits power using alternating current AC. 2. Transformers. Uses transformers to step up or step down voltage levels. 3. Shorter distances. Suitable for shorter transmission distances, up to 500 miles 800 kilometers. 4. Less expensive. Generally less expensive to build and maintain. 5. Wide industry adoption. Widely used in power grids worldwide. HVDC power station. 1. Direct current. Transmits power using direct current DC. 2. Converters. Employs converter stations to convert AC to DC and vice versa. 3. Longer distances. Suitable for longer transmission distances, over 500 miles 800 kilometers. 4. Higher capacity. Can transmit higher amounts of power with less energy loss. 5. Specialized applications. Used for specific applications like underwater cables, interconnecting asynchronous grids, or long-distance transmission. Key differences. Type of current AC versus DC. Transmission distance and capacity. Technology used transformers versus converters. Cost and industry adoption. HVAC is commonly used for local and regional power distribution, industrial power supply, residential and commercial electricity. HVDC is typically used for long-distance transmission, over 500 miles 800 kilometers. Interconnecting asynchronous grids. Underwater power transmission, example, submarine cables. High power transmission with minimal energy loss.